Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another makeup tutorial by Nicka K makeup. This is called Lime Mojo. This is how the palette is looking. It's this palette right here. It's very cute, it's very lime, and it looks very fun. So we're gonna dip into this eye look. And if you're new to my channel, check me out. If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you. So if you want to see how this look turns out, keep on watching. Alright, so I have my eyes based with the P. Louise. I have it in the shade Rumor 0.5. This is what I use with all my makeup looks. So I'm not going to set my primer because with the beauty supply products, they come out looking better when you don't set. So I'm going to go in with this green shade and I'm just going to apply it literally right here in this eye area. Alright, so I went in with this blending brush and I'm just blending it out just a little because I don't want a line of demarcation. So I think I'm going to go in next with I'm going to try this shade right here. And I want to add that at the top. I don't even know what look I'm going for, but I do know the colors I want to, incorporate. I like how this is turning out. Okay, now I'm just going back in with this green. Okay, come through. And now I'm just going back in and I'm just trying to blend so we don't look crazy. Want everything to flow. This looks cute. This looks cute. Y'all, this color blend looks so cute. Like, I would literally wear it just like this and just cover up this bottom lid as well. Like, this looks really good. So next I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut my crease.
Eyes on the door, you've got them trained. I know what you're thinking, what's it gonna take? Have another deep breath, think before you say. Think before you say, think before you say. I'll play the fool, you sit and wait. Awkward conversation, when's it gonna change? How has your day been? What else can I say? What else can I say? How else can I say? You're tumbling around in my head. Can't think through all the words
Hey y'all, so I'm back with the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming this look. This looks so gorgeous to me. I just love how the colors turned out. Like, everything just came together beautifully. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I will have the products that I use in the description box. And yeah, I hope all is well. I'm so happy that I finally get to record. You probably won't see like any gaps because I pre-record my videos, but I haven't recorded in like a couple days and it feels like forever. I just started like a new nail tech position, so I'm in the training process. So yeah, I just have a few things to get down packed, and hopefully I'll be on pro status because yeah, I'm a perfectionist and I want my work to be A1. So yeah, I just got a couple kinks that I have to work through. So that's why I haven't made any videos, but you guys probably won't see any gaps because I pre-recorded videos. I have like 4 videos already saved I haven't released, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick, this is random, but I just wanted to talk to you all to give you a view of my life and some of the things that I go through. I will be doing like an update on some type of blog maybe, or like a questions or whatnot. If you guys haven't known, I did recently graduated from beauty school, so in June. So yeah, I'm excited about my new journey and whatnot. So anyway, I hope you guys like this look. Once again, it's popping. I will have photos at the end of this video, so stay tuned if you want to see it. But thanks so much. This palette was very great. It was nice. So do keep in mind, use a white base primer and do not set it. Make sure it's sticky as possible so that the color can adhere. I did set my cut crease so that I can apply the shimmer better, but I don't know if it's, to me, I think the shimmers apply better when they're on a dry surface, in my opinion. But that's all I have to say. I had minimal fallout. I didn't even have to wipe my face, I don't think. So this was a great palette. Like, wow, look at this look, y'all. $3.99. That is so freaking insane. So before my son come and bother me again, thanks for tuning in. Love you all, and bye.